Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. Today we're gonna review the 1990 Audi Quattro. This is from the F&G case of 2023, and this is number 6 out of 10 from Hotwheels Retro Racers, number 77 out of 250 all of the cars. Let's go ahead and open this one up. So here's the Audi Sport Quattro in white. And first things first, you saw the rear of the car and you're already thinking I'm gonna say something about the back being that empty. So we're just gonna proceed. So basically the car is in this snow white. Obviously this is more of like a rally style Audi Quattro, racing style, whatsoever you want to call it. So so far it's only available in one color. No leaks about any other color coming out for this car, but still it's quite nice in this color. Basically many people have done different mods to it. Like they kind of did, like, I don't know, they changed the color of the car, they changed the wheels, swapped out the wheels, they did many things and basically made it more detailed, especially that rear end, obviously. So first things first, it has white disc wheels, white disc rims, sorry, and yeah, the standard size, obviously not the rally style or maybe like the off-road style rims, however you want to say it. So it's in that standard Audi livery, obviously, just like the Sport Quattro and the other previous Audi designs, in the red, light gray and also dark gray color, as you can see. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the car itself right now. There it is, Audi Sport Quattro in white. As you can see on the side, it has diagonal red, light gray and dark gray, sort of like black stripes right there. Audi Sport at the rear fender right there. White disc wheels, number 4 right there. What else? Some other sponsors which I'm not sure what they are. Some exhaust pipes right there coming out from the side. Red for the side skirts and also the front bumper. Some more red, gray and black stripes. Number 4 on the hood, and you can kind of see the interior is in black. Very cool. Here's the front. You have the sort of like front grille, Audi logo, some headlights which are lazily done because they just painted it gray, like people won't notice. Front grille, like I said just now, some air intakes, some more black stripes and red stripes at the bottom. Moving on to the side, similar to the other side as well. I believe this car has a roll cage inside. For the interior, I'm not entirely sure. Empty on the roof, nothing, no decals or anything. Now the back, you already know it. I'm gonna say no rear lights, no license plate, no, not a single anything. Just empty. Nothing on the rear spoiler as well, which is just a bummer, you know. When it comes to rears, they don't like to do anything because people would like to show the front and the side of the car only. They won't show like the back of the car. So yeah, good luck painting the backs red with red rear lights for those who are customizing this car. So moving on to the base, Audi 90 Quattro, made in Malaysia, 2022 Mattel. Obviously new to 2023 because this is a new casting, and yeah, made in Malaysia. Overall, this kind of reminds me of the previous versions of the Audi Quattro, like the ones that have been released a bunch of times in mainline. I believe that was like the 2018 debut, which we got it as the first casting in this similar Quattro livery, and then we had it in yellow, blue, black, and then entered Car Culture, and then produced in mainline again, and then Car Culture, I don't know how many times. But I hope this one will soon reach Car Culture, maybe in the future, and we would see the rear of the car being painted at least. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this car in the back right there, so you can see in future videos of me reviewing in the G case. But yeah, there you go, that is my review of the Audi Sport Quattro right here. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and yeah, let me know whether you're grabbing this or not. Maybe you will, maybe you're not. It's gonna be a hot item, but yeah, there you go. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.